All right, everybody, we are back here with Nigel Ryan Jones versus the Mega Ramp.
I mean, not the Mega Ramp, but a Mega Ramp.
He refuses to wear a helmet, knee pads, elbow pads, wrist guards, gloves, and/or shoes. And he just wants to go ham on this.
Try something new.
I'm just kidding. He's gonna wear shoes. We got helmets.
I know.
We got knee pads. We got elbow pads.
Understandable.
We got all the pads.
The bodying that happens, if the bodying were to happen, is upon me.
Nigel supports the use of pads, but they mess up his skating.
If you aren't in your comfort zone, throw them pads on, please.
He supports the use of pads. He just doesn't want to wear them.
Trying right
It
now.
scares me to watch this. Freaks me out.
Yeah, what I'm gonna try, I'm comfortable without. For me, it's just not gonna work out. Like,
Well, at least do me this and do it on the mini ramp.
Well, what trick are you trying?
Front feeble stall, not grind, stall. JD says it's harder than like slashing it.
Oh, harder to stall than slash it? Yeah. Well, you could probably slash either way.
Front feeble slash, I feel like for me is harder than stalling.
Okay.
That's me though.
He just does his thing and he just goes.
He really does. He doesn't skate for like 3 weeks, shows up, does the craziest trick, and then he's out.
Oh my goodness, what are you doing?
All it is a front feeble.
Oh, look at you, Mo.
Mo's padding up.
Oh my gosh.
That was safe. He's in full control.
You okay?
I just want to cry.
It's okay.
He went backwards and ran down backwards.
Hey, years of the rope-a-dope, I know how to move, baby.
Every part of my body.
You made that look terrifying.
That is not what I was expecting.
Did you get the sticker, JD?
I can get up there.
You're gonna try it right now. No warm up, no build up, no nothing. No rock to fakie.
I mean, like, do I want to do the rock to fakie? Do I just want to try it? Which one do I want to do?
Why don't you unclip your keys from your pants?
Please.
My gosh. I'm not catching that. Oh!
Straight to it. I pooped myself a little bit, but it's all right. It's okay.
Somehow his board got past the line. Crispine McNugget, get over here.
Oh my.
Crispy McNugget.
You didn't get the lucky sticker, man.
I kind of just have to send it.
Go fast and commit.
Oh! That looked good.
That felt good.
How are you feeling? What are you thinking?
I think I'm gonna do it right now. That felt really good, honestly. It's definitely the biggest thing I'll ever front people. After this, we just gotta go to Bob's house, I guess.
Catch a nail.
My tire caught a nail.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah!
Mowgli skating the vert ramp is my favorite thing ever.
Can you do a persistence?
Mike, you got drop in?
Nah, I'm a pass.
Woo! All right, JD.
Somebody come get her.
Man. Hey, I started working out again. I might get limber again, and then we'll get there. I gotta limber up. I can't stretch that far, that's why. All right. Ah, it felt so good.
I mean, how do you pull out of that?
I literally just have to commit. If I'm being honest, I didn't try. I'm scared. I'm a little hesitant.
360 knee slide over the gap.
Oh my gosh, that was it. What do you think, Bruno? That looked good. That looked good.
Front Feeble slash.
Let's get it.
Go.
Good knee slide, Mo.
Leave it in the comments below for Mowgli.
Like literally number 4, Mowgli.
I'm just gonna do it quick. I'm gonna do like a boop and then come back in.
Justin Daniel.
If I think mini ramp, therefore it is mini ramp, therefore I can do it just like mini ramp.
100%.
Front! He just invented a language.
Just put the pads on. Because he can't knee slide his legs.
Represent Bakersfield.
I think you got it. That's the thing about the vert ramp. Going from there to a full commit. That's what got Bakersfield up here.
He did knee slide on the board.
Burned you. Yeah, it's not smooth.
Damn! Yeah. You know, honestly, it might be a good thing that Ricky's not here right now. Ricky would be full mom mode right now. Be safe, man. I don't know. We got something for you to see, Big Rick. Get it, Nigel. Oh!
Rick, I got you. Front feed for you, Mr. Big Ice.
Front Feeble.
Look at the aesthetic in that room. You got it.
Hey, I'm so comfortable on it now, though. I'm just proud of that right now. I'm so comfortable being up there. Mr. Austin Man right here, the freestyle champion, Mowgli.
Got it.
Get up there! Come on, back truck. Work with me. Let's boop and then boop.
How do you not fall when you're up there like that? You're on a vertical wall, and then you just fall down, and then you just gently go.
Have you seen a cat fall from a building?
Yeah.
I'm not from this planet. Where I'm from, cats are like rulers. So it's instilled in me. At night, sometimes I turn into a panther. Not saying it's a black panther, but you never know.
Oh!
All I have to do is just commit.
Got to get up there.
Best persistence on the vert ramp was still this guy. Tail tap. Get him, guy. That was heavy. He said never again.
Bro, honestly, it looks so good.
I'm sorry for wasting your time. We're gonna land this, all right?
Hey, you land it right here. You got permanent shotgun for the whole trip next week.
thought he was gonna body bag.
McNug was like, no.
McNug said, please make him stop. You got it, Mo. Mo money.
As Nigel Jones walks back up to the Vert Ramp at the Braille Games 2021, we notice he's got a crazy disposition right now. Looks a little tired. I think he's gonna get it right now, though. It's his last run of the day. Let's see if he aces it.
Golf announcer.
Yo!
No pads, no problem.
Oh my God.
You got it. First try.
Oh no! No!
That's how I broke my wrist. You gotta watch for that.
That felt so good. Man, I don't know if you guys, the viewers at home, understand. This stuff is insane. Yeah, now I just gotta land it, like, fully.
So for, oh.
Yep. Take it in. It's half skill and it's half luck.
We're gonna get up there, all right? You're gonna get up there, you're good. You don't have to do anything. We are going up, and then we are going back down, okay? Got it? All right, let's do this together, boys. I'm so upset!
Yes!
Two to make it true. One more.
On the Vert Ramp, we never two to make it true it. We just,
Yeah!
I can do that! I'm not gonna try it again right now.
knee pads, kids. Where are you? Knee pads, helmet, elbow pads, wrist guards, gloves, socks, shoes, everything.
Hey,
Aaron, can I tell you what's gonna happen?
I'm gonna get a FaceTime call tomorrow at approximately 2:36 p.m. And it's gonna be Nigel going, yeah, bro, I can't feel my leg.
When I did this gap, I literally could not skate for 2 weeks. Didn't really leave I was so sore.
That was good.
That was really cool. I really want to try that back 50, honestly.
Unsupportive audience here ever.
Let's go!
Look at Uzi. Uzi's not impressed.
Thank you guys for watching. Some videos, it's over here, right? They're over here, right? All right, you know Braille Army app? Probably heard about it at this point. It probably popped up at some point, just randomly like, choo-choo. Just download it. Go have some fun. I might be on there. I don't know. Might catch me on there. Who knows? We'll see you in the next video.
Let's go!